In this video we will show you how to fix the V159 motor or V158. So if you don't have heat on the right side or on the left side, probably because you have issues with the V158 or V159 actuator temperature flap. In this video tutorial we are going to show you how to fix these motors V159 or V158. So this is the V159 motor that we remove it from the Volkswagen Passat B6. You can find the video tutorial on how to remove V159 motor in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So you have to use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the cover. So you just have to press on those tabs inside to separate the cover from the motor housing. Here you will need some help from another person to separate the plastic housing, also using a flat blade screwdriver. So you have to push on those tabs to separate the plastic cover from the housing. So take the cover out. This is how it looks like inside. So the V159 or G220 motor can have issues with the potentiometer or with the motor. So in this video we will show you only how to. So most of the time V159 motor has issues with the potentiometer, so we'll replace it with the new one. This one. So to remove it you also need to use a flat blade screwdriver. So remove the potentiometer or the resistance sensor and replace it with a new one. So you just have to use the flat blade screwdriver to take it out. So this is the potentiometer or the resistance sensor. You can find the new potentiometer in the video description below. So when you have the new potentiometer, you just have to put it back on its place. And then put the cover back. Then you have to install it back on the car. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.